You're lovely, and your smile so warm, and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you. And the way you look tonight. With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my wound apart. And that laugh, that wrinkles your nose, touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never ever change. Give that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you. And the way you look tonight. With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh and wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Lonely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you. And the way you look tonight, the way you look tonight, the way you look tonight.
All right. Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So now we are about to officially start what we're doing here to celebrate something amazing. Before that, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Anna. I will be your host for this evening. Can you give yourselves a round of applause for spending your time with us this evening? So today, as mentioned earlier, we have a lot of great things in store because we're launching something new for MyTV. Can we also give a round of applause for MyTV for inviting all of us and gathering and celebrating something fresh, especially for 2020. And to start off and to welcome everyone, I'm very happy to announce, please let's all welcome to the stage the managing director of MyTV. We have Mr. Bobet Avila.
Maayong gabi ninyong tanan. Well, this is just a very short stint, if you want to use the word. But I really welcome you for being here with us tonight because this is really a special night. MyTV has been in our TV screens for 8 years. And since 8 years ago, we have always used this logo. So finally, we have decided that we'll change it in the year 2020. So this is why we are here tonight. We're also having our Christmas party, and I'm glad you're all here. So welcome and good evening.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. My crew, my dogs, set rules, set laws. We represent for the lords of yards. A gal alone, I feel up my. From them a par in a chichimanca. Give me fire, make we burn them. From them a drink in a chichimamba. Give me fire, make we burn them.
Baby, yeah.
Was it on that beat?
Baby, let me take a minute. Show me something. Tomorrow I might be hungover. That don't mean nothing. All night long, I've been wrong. Baby, show me something. You gon' let me do it. Baby, let me.
Gala, wine and go down. Gala, wine and come up. Gala, wine and go down. Oh, tell them again.
Ponme la mano aquí, Catalina, que la tengo fría. Ponme la mano aquí, Catalina, que yo la tengo fría. Ponme la mano aquí, Catalina, si no yo me voy a morir, prima mía. Ponme la mano aquí, Catalina, que yo la tengo fría.
Catalina, gala hotter than.
Who's that knocking at my window? They say that it's the money, I'm like tenfold. That stick gon' make you fuck like a limbo. She said she not a thought, she an info. Ooh, why you do that like that? It's a lot of money, why are you mad like that? Ooh, I'm in my new bag, my bag. You ain't getting shit, bitch, too bad, my bad. Yeah.
Bump it up. Bump it up. Bump it up. Just bump it up. Bump it up. You came and get it drunk with a day much shit is drunk. You came and get it on. 45 O's in your bank and get it on. Roll up like that stuff and get it on. Put the fit it on. Came and get it on. Hold up, you wanna work that, let me in, let me hurt that, murk that, say you gotta hurt that, can't spit it out, boo, you gotta slurp that, can't cuddle after we doing it, wasn't worth that, so we am responsible for bringing dirt back, yeah, we back,
Mueve ese chapón, 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 mueve ese chapón,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday night. Only girls in the crib if they bout that life. 2025 is the usual, and I'm a young nigga with them living my best life. Boring, I don't really think about it. It's too late to talk about it. If you ain't trying to get dicked out, that's fine, but the only problem with you is you call me late and never come over. Why you gotta cap? It's 3:30 and I'm horny and thirsty. So why I can be your knight in armor. You can be my Cinderella. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Ooh, girl, your love was right. On the phone we talk all night. If you're ready, we can get away. Money ain't a thing, girl. You just pick the place. Ooh.
Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, hey Macarena.
Hey, Macarena. Hey, put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, tell them give me 1 minute. Hey, Macarena. Hey, Macarena. chopper on a nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, tell him give me 1 minute. Hey, then
I see you over there, so hypnotic. Thinking about what I do to that body. I get you like
My TV channel with top-of-the-line facilities. The only Cebu-based lifestyle network that features the best of what life has to offer.
Initiating system 1.
From the worldwide reach of its live broadcast to online streaming. Our quality shows that are dynamic, ranging from politics, intelligent,
Welcome once again to Straight from the Sky.
and entertaining.
Cebu, good evening Philippines. Open mic is back.
Law,
Si Attorney Bingo Gonzales o ang akong of course nga ambungan kaayo nga partner si Dean Jonathan Capanas.
health,
Good day. Welcome to My Health Cebu. I am your host, Dr. Steven Seno.
lifestyle,
Full
food,
flavor, low in calorie, amazingly healthy. With anyone can cook. I'm Kate DiTranco Anzani, your host.
events, happenings, engaging topics significant to each and every Filipino.
Ang anti-rabies program sa Matag Barangay Daogi Kalintana.
My Politics, Art Baring.
Mindanao, ito po inyong programang Republika, mauni si Eric Espina.
Every Tuesday. That's the whole point of the training. Okay.
Religion.
Good morning and welcome once again to My Catechism. I'm your talk show host, Bobby Tabila, with my co-host, Father Lucas Enoch.
This is only your sister Nancy saying, love one another.
Sports.
I'm your host, Nimrod Quinones.
Welcome to my side of town.
Hi, I'm Bart Borja, and you're watching My Destination.
My TV is the only channel featuring all local shows on cable television. Aired on Sky Cable Cebu, Channel 30 in Metro Cebu. Worldwide reach through online live streaming on www.livestream.com/mytv30/on-air and simulcast on MyTV Cebu YouTube channel. Come and be featured. This is your channel, my TV.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the new My TV logo. A round of applause. The new logo for My TV. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the new logo for My TV. And of course, as mentioned earlier, you can visit the website at mytv.ph. And of course, on our Facebook page, we have fb.mytvcebu. And there is also a YouTube channel, which is, of course, youtube.mytvcebu. And for anybody who's outside with their phones and cannot watch through television, we have a live stream at www.livestream.com/mytv30/on-air. Once again, presenting to you the new logo of MyTV. Can we give them a round of applause? Definitely something new and fresh after 8 years, and now something to start with for 2020. Once again, a round of applause for MyTV, and congratulations to everyone. So at this point, to talk more about what's in store for MyTV, I am very honored to introduce to you, they're known as the Big Three. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage, we have the President, Dr. Joanne de las Peñas, and IMG Executive Vice Chairs. We've got Mr. Noel Arandilla and Mr. Luis Bartolome Borja. A round of applause. Once again, the Big Three.
So, partners and friends of MyTV. Let me share a little bit, no? Magbinisaya na lang ko kay kasabot man ni si Bart og Bisaya. How we started MyTV. We released the channel actually about 2009, starting June 2009. And when we started, without any experience, makita ninyo ang channel na ay mga text, na ay video, pero walay audio. Wala may experience. So ang pangalan sa una is Well TV. Then, ang rent sa channel, mahal kayo, no? So after 2 years of operation, we decided na ato na siradaan, oy, ako kay gasto. But Joanne suggested na I know someone na experience na kung musugot siya, okay na siya nga atong ipadayon. So, may na lang si Mr. Bubit, nisugot, no? Kaya kung wala siya nisugot to join us, 2011, so by 2011, wala na tayo MyTV. So, Bubit and team continue to innovate, improve the channel. So, nagadaghan na atong shows. And this evening, excited ko, no? Unveiling of something big, something new, and something exciting for all of us. All right, so thank you. And thank you for spending your time with us.
Good evening, everybody. We're known as the Big Three, literally. Okay? And anyway, actually, technically, we're 10 years in the industry. And being 10 years in the industry only shows one thing. And we are really committed in bringing the best about Cebu in the airwaves. And actually, we have a lot in store this coming 2020, and we are very optimistic. And we are, especially with Tito Bobit around, we're looking forward for a bigger and a better channel this coming years ahead. So thank you for being with us, our guests. Thank you. And you will see a better MyTV in the next coming years. Thank you.
All right, good evening. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I think this is a very small group because this is a special, for us, we just really invited a very special group just to introduce what's up ahead with MyTV. And I think I want to tell you a little bit about, I guess, the history of MyTV. It's right. We started as about that's why Noel talked about 10 years, because the first 2 years we call it like the mess up time, the making of all the mistakes. But when Tito Bobit came in, all the shows came about. We were just no voice, but then by this time you would see that we're now one of the, I would say, the only the only TV here in Cebu. And not just that, you've seen that there's a lot of shows. So that's something that we have seen grow. And last year when we did, or this year, early this year when we did Sinulog, we were the only TV show that did like non-stop all the way with the Sinulog. So we had about over 35,000 viewers from abroad who would just look at the whole Sinulog show. So we plan to continue all these things. We're here also to congratulate all the hosts. So if you look at it, aside from we're launching the logo, we're also appreciating all the hosts. We know how hard it is to go to our studio and how difficult it is sometimes to make sure that your show will continue with us. But I think it is a pride of the Cebuanos that we do have this. And the happenings right now, almost all the happenings of the Cebu right now is being featured in MyTV. And if you look at the past 8 years, that logo actually was created by Tito Bobit. It's a two-circle. And what we have done was, through the years, as we talked with Tito Bobit, I said, like, why don't we unify it? So the two-circle become one. So that's the reason why, if you look at it, aside from the change of the color, we unify two circles into one to hopefully unify everyone here as a Cebuano. So that's what we're looking for. So we have this, and on top of that, we're looking at the future. We travel all over the world, and the only thing I see is that the young ones, they don't even open their TV anymore. You know, you go to the airport, everybody's watching a show in their mobile phone. When we go abroad in Europe, everybody in the bus, everybody in the train has their earplugs, and some people, so we said, you know what? If we want to really establish Cebu and propagate all the shows that we have, we need to be very strong online. So now we've done the first part, which is long time ago, when you have a website, you're already pretty good. Nowadays, website will not matter. Unless you have a Facebook, you have a YouTube, you have a live streaming. That's something, because long time ago, when you used to brag, I have a website. Now people don't care about the website. So we've now have the website, the mytv.ph. That is a live streaming. At the same time, all the archives of all your shows will already be there. And then we now have, Twitter. So everything's gonna, you know what's going on, people can follow us. You notice the new logo is here. And then we also have Instagram now. They said that some people doesn't even care about Facebook. They just look at Instagram. So I think we need your help to really propagate. So I hope that all the hosts here will follow us on Instagram before leaving tonight. And we also have Facebook, of course. Follow us on Facebook. This is the new look of the Facebook. We did not change the logo, everything today except tonight. So with all the IT tonight, you know, by the time this show will finish, this event will finish, you'll see the new look of the Facebook. And we're now promoting YouTube. So now, you know, we have our own channel in YouTube. So anybody who wants to watch, let's say it's coming Sinulog, they want to watch Sinulog, they're going to watch they can choose whether they're watching YouTube, watching Facebook. So we will be all over, and all your shows will also be there. So we're looking at the future, and if you look at it, your shows will be on demand. Meaning to say, the archive of all your shows will now be available in our mytv.ph. So I hope that tonight is something that we launched the new logo. We also let you know that we will make sure that we will be here for the future. We have grown tremendously. As what you said, you know, sometimes the best things in life come into the chance. You know, just a chance that we met Tito Bobit, and then he was at the right time. We were looking for something, we really need help, and in just a click, we had about 10 shows, Tito. And now we have like about 15 or 20 shows. So and some of you who wants more shows, let us know, and we will continue to develop more shows for you. But there's only one MyTV Cebu, right? And I thank you for all of you tonight. And again, for all the hosts, we would like to appreciate you tonight. We do have some appreciation for you. At the same time, the people behind this, what do you call this? This will not be there unless we have all the equipments. So feel free to look at the equipments, as well as we have all our IT, as well as our staff for MyTV. So again, thank you so much. And I hope you will subscribe and at the same time support the Cebu channel. and promote Cebu more. We are, I think as of this time, we're the survivor because it's not that easy to run a channel. But I think with God's help and with everybody's help, with all the hosts here, I think we have been successful. So thank you so much, and God bless you all.
All right, for our toast this evening, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Bobit Avila and Mr. Dante Luzon to please join the big three on stage. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to request everyone to please grab your glasses or whatever glass you have in front of you. And let's all give a toast for My TV. Everybody say cheers! Cheers! And of course, once again, launching the new My TV logo and of course, the different social media portal where you can now access My TV shows. Yes, a round of applause once again for something fresh and new, especially for the incoming year 2020. Thank you very much. Let's give a round of applause for the big three. And of course, we have Mr. Dante Luzon and Mr. Bobit Avila. Okay. So at this point, it was already mentioned earlier that tonight is really about you and they want to celebrate you this evening. This is not just the launching of the new logo, but it's also to celebrate the people behind My TV and of course, the ones who are in front of the camera, you know, presenting their shows. So tonight we would like to acknowledge the staff behind My TV. And we would like, when your name is called, please, we'd like you to come up on stage. Yes, we'd like to request the big three to join us on stage for the photo op as we appreciate and acknowledge the staff of My TV. So ladies and gentlemen, to start off, and we'd like to request Mr. Bobit Avila to join them as well on stage. First off, we'd like to acknowledge Mr. Dante Luzon, the program director. Next, we would like to acknowledge we have the cameraman and editor, Mr. Joel Noel. A round of applause. Thank you very much, Mr. Noel. A round of applause. Next, we'd like to acknowledge Mr. Kirby Campo, also a cameraman and editor for My TV. Next, we have Mr. Ronil Madrid. Thank you very much, Mr. Madrid, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have Mr. Jefferson Cañada, another one of the cameraman and editor for My TV. Next, we have Joshua Bejo, our IT staff for My TV. A round of applause. Next, we have James Amiel Anyasco, another one of our IT staff. And another one of our IT staff, we have Leonard Flores. Next, we have another IT staff. We have James Brian Elardo. And of course, we have Mr. Almario Omalay, another one of our IT staff. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting once again the staff behind My TV. We'd like to ask everyone to please join them on stage for a group photo. Can we give them a round of applause? Once again, the team behind My TV, behind all the shows that you see on Channel 30. All right, congratulations. Yes. Again, a round of applause for the staff, IT, the cameramen, the editors. Thank you very much for doing what you do. Now we would like this time, as again mentioned earlier, to acknowledge the hosts of the different programs that you can see in My TV. You know, you represent the show. The show will not run if not for you, because you are the face and the voice behind these shows. So tonight we would like to appreciate and celebrate you as well. Once again, I'd like to request the big three. I'm so sorry that you're not able to sit down. We have a lot of people to celebrate this evening, and we'd like to ask Mr. Bobit Avila to also join. Okay, so once again, we would like to call the names of our hosts for My TV. Ladies and gentlemen, starting off, we have attorney Jonathan Capanas, of course, for My Law 101. Of course, this plaque of appreciation is presented to our hosts for their invaluable service as hosts of their respective shows. Of course, produced at My TV and given today, the 9th of December. A round of applause for Attorney Jonathan Capanas. Thank you very much. Next, we have Mr. Dante Luzon, of course, the host of My Side of Town. A round of applause for Mr. Dante Luzon. He's also the program director for My TV. A round of applause for Mr. Dante Luzon once again. And the in-house singer. And now this time we'd like to acknowledge we have Mr. Dexter Alazas, of course, for his show. A round of applause. Of course, for the show's signatures. Thank you very much. Let's give him a round of applause. Thank you. Yeah, so he's not a host. Of course, you know him, he's a fashion designer, but this is part of where he is shown on TV. Next, we have Father Lucas Enoch for Catechism. A round of applause for Father Enoch. Thank you very much, Father. A round of applause once again for Catechism. Next, we have Miss Kate Anzani for Anyone Can Cook. Yes? So if you want to watch a show where you know how to cook and find how to create something really good, especially now that it's the holidays, then this is the best show for you to watch. All right, and of course, we have the next one. We have Miss Nancy Mirafuentes. A round of applause for Voces Amores. Once again, please make sure that you also share the Twitter page, the Facebook page, and the YouTube channel of My TV Cebu, so that all the other, so everyone can see the different shows that are all there. Congratulations, ma'am. Next, we have Mr. Nimrod Quinones. Of course, for Full Point. This is a Cebu sports show. So for those who are sports fans, this is the show for you. Congratulations once again, Mr. Nimrod Quinones. Yes, and our next awardee, we have Mr. Ramil Ayuman for Ayuman Reports. A round of applause for Mr. Ayuman. Congratulations, Mr. Ayuman. A round of applause once again for Ayuman Reports. And of course, our next awardee, we have Miss Rachel Arandilia. Yes, for she is, of course, hosting the Tribe Show. All right, now a round of applause for our talk show our host. Let's give them a round of applause. Once again, of course, they are the people representing the shows that you see on My TV. And a round of applause for everyone here. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, you may now head back to your seats. Okay, so at this point, this award is something very special because this is for somebody who has done a lot. And when I say a lot when it comes to My TV. And this is something that we would like to, in a form of commendation for all the efforts that this person has put in. And this is, like, once again, very special. And we call this the Diamond Award. And we would like to show you a quick video. So if you can focus your attention on the big screen, and we will be announcing who our Diamond Awardee is.
The leader, the mentor, the man. Mr. Bobit Avila's dynamism and overwhelming passion elevated My TV to what it is today.
In behalf sa among IT department, daghan kayong salamat.
Sir Bobit, daghang salamat sa mga grasya nga imong gihatag.
Ako nakatunan ni Sir Bobit kana yung magtiping ni sa katikisim kanang mga party sa Ginoo nga.
In my 5 years working in My TV with Sir Bobit, nakita na ko ang iyang passion and dedication pagdumala sa station.
His natural warm personality has brought him closer to his people.
My message to Sir Bobit, ikual nga nagkuyog ni sa coverage, nato kayong event among gabiran de history dito sa national about itong Manila Bay Rehabilitation. Kung ako magdahom niya nga makaya niya lakaw perting layuan yun ato. Pero believe kong Sir Bobit nga sa iyang passion sa iyang trabaho na amaze ko niya. Sir Bobit, dako kay pasalamat nimo. More power sa My TV o ni Sir Bobit.
He steered the company to the right direction by developing quality shows that made My TV a lifestyle channel that is truly Cebuano.
I've known Sir Bobit for, I guess, almost 2 decades, but I never had a chance to know him better. Dinhina sa My TV, because I learned a lot of things from politics to sports to history. Sir Bobit, this I could say, you are my source of strength. Watching you, steered us to greater heights, that to me is such an inspiration. You are our inspiration. Cheers, Sir Bobit. Here's to life, and Merry Christmas to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Diamond Award, of course, goes to Mr. Valeriano Avila, or Mr. Bobit Avila as he is well known. And of course, this evening, we'd also like to acknowledge we have the Vice Mayor, Honorable Mike Rama, with us. Sir, if you can join us on stage for the photo as well. A round of applause for Mr. Bobit Avila. Congratulations, sir, and thank you for inspiring a lot of people. And once again, we'd like to request the Honorable Mike Grama, the Vice Mayor, to join us on stage for a photo. A round of applause for the Vice Mayor. Congratulations once again, Diamond Awardee. Thank you very much. And congratulations as well as to My TV. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you very much as well, Vice Mayor. So at this point, as promised earlier, that we are giving away amazing prizes for the raffle draw. As you can see, if you look back, behind you, there's a huge television right there. Okay? Who wants to win new TV for Christmas? Yeah, I know, right? Who does not want that? We are at this point where we are very happy to win appliances during Christmas parties. Okay, so we will start off with, we will give out first the 5 power banks. We have 5, yes? So we'd like to call one of the big 3 to help us pick our winners. Anybody would want? Yes, we have Dr. Joanne, yes. 5, sir, for the power bank. 4 and 5. All right, I now have the 5 names. The winners of the power bank are, first, we have Miss Gina Lynn Labrado. Please come up to the stage, ma'am. Oh, the hot stuff dancer. Okay. You don't want to take it? Okay. All right, our lucky winner then is we have Jamie Picornell or Jaime Picornell. Please come up on stage, sir. We want to take a photo. Oh, okay. All right, let's just give it to him, please. Next winner, we have Mr. Ray Labrado. Oh, we have to pick it again. Okay. Next winner, we have Dino Estorjo. All right, congratulations. Okay. We have Rose Soliano. Rose, where's Ma'am Rose? Ma'am, come on over. All right. And then we have Mr. Ace Aguirre. Wow, that table. Lucky table of the night. And then, last but not the least, we have someone, I hope he will report this, Mr. Ramila Yuman. Mr. Ramila Yuman. Okay, this is our power bank. Congratulations to all the winners. A round of applause. And now we are giving away the television, right? So we have, would it be okay if we present this here on stage? Yes. So who will be the one picking it? We have Sir Bobit who will pick it. Yes, please. We have a Samsung television to give out. And the winners, thank you so much, sir. Guess who? A lady or a man? You sure? Well, it is Father Lucas Ino! Congratulations, Father Lucas! Please come on stage, take a photo. Our grand raffle winner. We'd like to ask the big 3 and Sir Bobit to join Father Lucas. Congratulations, Father! Yes. By the way, if you want to take a photo, if you notice we have a setup right over here. And this is the only, we call it, it's a TriCaster equipment for live coverage and remote broadcast. This is only in Cebu. So if you want to test it, well, not test it out, but take a photo of our setup, please feel free to do so. Yes, congratulations. We'll help you We'll make sure someone will help. Can you please help him? Congratulations. A round of applause for all the winners. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, as always, we'd like to encourage everyone. Please share it to your friends, your family. The website, of course, of MyTV. It's mytv.ph. And the Facebook page, that's fb.mytv Cebu. And for live streaming, we have www.livestream.com/mytv30/on-air. And of course, the YouTube channel, MyTV Cebu, as well as Twitter and Instagram. If you can follow it now, please, we would really appreciate it. And share it to your friends so that everybody will have a chance to see the shows of MyTV. And once again, let's give a round of applause for MyTV. Congratulations on the new logo, and of course to all the hosts and all your shows. We hope that you will have a great 2020. Can you look at the person beside you on your left side? Can you greet them Merry Christmas? On the right side, can you say may you have a great 2020? Thank you very much. I hope you have a great night, and we will continue on with the party. Enjoy and good evening.